Salaflava everyone. Malole soy fumawa tulolava. Over my best for yalia. Levai ole nu usatali ilangi. Lefa aola tanga ia so taitasi. Levai eta femalo si mai I maunga. Ilem tele o matau mai o te munga. Levai eta tefi ai nuina. Levai asu mai o lima. Yeah. Toe whatalofam, toe ofulfatu, tato woma paanga masani o le Mea-Uli Samoa. I want to welcome you all once again to this live on Le Mea-Uli Samoa. Like I said, give me chill. The old Igago toothpick or give me chill. Yeah. For those of you who are wondering, remember now, liangai kokele kanga kasu, o kokele kanga kolesu, o le mea fōninga, o te pai kako ofu, inga ngei o sau se su. Yeah. Kako give me chill. So, but I want to address a few things first. You know, I've gotten a lot of comments. I've gotten a lot of messages. I've gotten a lot of replies. Woka ka faila ko video. Woka ka faila ko video yaka ko. Ile Mea-Uli Samoa ua ti ngao la to finangalo. Aisha, pamai. Mle mo ke fifa ya ku Mea-Uli Samoa ile failong langu ngaka Samoa. You know, we've had people go and people comment and people message me and people make live videos or videos or clips saying, you know, they disagree that Samoan people aren't, you know, they disagree with me when I said Samoan people are racist or the language used are racist, but they're saying, you know, Samoan people aren't racist, you know, and that's because I'm talking from a black man's perspective. Now, some of you who know me know that my last name is Mea-Uli. I'm Tongan. So let me just address, that being said, let me just address some of the things in our language that we say. Afakasi, we've already described that to be half caste or to have a shadow cast upon half of you. To be Mea-Uli, to be a black thing. Now, add saying a mai. Add on saying a mai. Se failong ala ngambia. Yeah. Ole. Oh. Ko elau ay popo. May ko elau ay popo. Yeah. O se ar ngambia. Yes, our kau falili ya fa may kago le kau falili. We just jokes. But jokes idungo le ya. Le alma fu anga le jokes linga. My just chose kalasyo nis. Ilo nis ka may chose uncle chose. Dai ilo ngi chose nga fa ka ko mea nga. Sai nga mai ko le ai popopo fa may inki ai vao anga fe nga ko ilo ai. Anga fe nga ko ilo ai. Inki ai vao. Ya, o olola ile isi kua. Lengo fa ya ko fo. Olo fai my last name is Tongan. Nena laka ko o yai. Ko ngaelo. Yeah. Ai short fangua. Yeah. Ai maile. Yeah. O ala nga mea ka ko le pa mai. Ele vai long alang Samoa. Man, lela nga mea. Huh? What is that, dog? What is that? What is it? Kako pi rio la. Kako pi rio. Lenga ngayo mai o ko fai mai. Ele fai long langu Samoa pa wala nga opo ope wo ka loko nga ele fai long langu Samoa sa o kamadea Mea-Uli ya mai sia kala sa o pungi lo nguku le so ele fai long langu Samoa nga la ia mai fia o se nga fa sainga mai nga lo ku sainga fa mai o sainga mai nga lo ku ko ela fa mai maloni ko ai popo Le ai o ko nga faya le ngoa. Wala. For my Jordan. Ya wala. Wantila iya. Come on, man. Lela wo toothpick. Lela wo toothpick. Kako kalangoa. Mel vayaku. Give me chill. You can't blame the devil. You can't blame the devil for everything. Let's keep it real. You can't blame the devil for everything. Yes, ngakupunga mai le lianga. Ai va pela o ki apolo ya mai aso o mai for mai alo alwa nga le ai o lo loko fai kalia ele ka ia ki apolo oi. Come on. Voila. Am I lying? If I'm lying, let me know. If I'm lying, let me know. Please. If I'm lying, let me know. But where are these words coming from if not from our language? Not our culture. Not our culture. Our language. Yeah. So if I'm wrong, let me know, please. I am for criticism. I criticize for yangale lunga ole mga kufa vai fa lele, constructive criticism. I'm all for that. But if you're gonna just tell me I'm a racist, I'm the racist. No, I've noticed these racist things, and so I'm trying to put a stop to it. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to put a stop to the racism in our language. But you folks denying it. Yeah. Yes. Kasia. Mokola le fa mai failong ele failong alango. Show me your show me your relevance. Michael relevance. Amaya kiako relevance o mea nga. I want evidence. I'm giving you my evidence. Where we at? Yeah. Oh, you made an important distinction that people misinterpret. Every language and people have the prosperity for racism based on based on individual and its use. Yes, we are fighting. I'm as guilty as the next. Mastery of our language and love for our culture is beautiful. Thank you. Everyone in this world is racist regardless of what they say. Yes, you're right, Della. Can I call you Della? You're right. But we have to change that. I've been discriminated against and I hate it. And so that's why I try to point out the racism so that we can get rid of it. The next generation. Because they're the ones that matter. Because, even in church we say, and then what do we do with point out their wrongs, kuri ifafo, I don't think love, nurture, faalin mele fa se, fe so soang ye awar ko fa yan mesi se. I make a gongal point out say, oya, si English fight to look. Like, yeah, go umala so fi kalango ngame. Let's address it. Let's address it now that it's been brought to light. Let's address it. Kakof kango fila I for fa fi kaudi dia. De po uleng ufa ya ko mumu. De wo lewa jadi. De wo lo. De wo yeli makal po. Ya lana. Kakof kango fila ia ang mayele lau polo. Sungu mili ai ku wailunga. Se isau se kebi fa pa o nga fola ia. But let's address what we now know has come to light. I'm sorry if I go on and I miss your questions. Ele I secretary. Ele kai foi kali lancha secretary. Ya olela e rokwala ilungol mele wo i. Ya uma fa solo ka ko comments. Fa mole. So it is my personal belief ele tae ai manatul to tele le atunu pe ono vai atu tama I Mea-Uli ya te te loe te lele loi ale kam fai fa so aku ngaka mai man blama fa mole mole is a verb. Fa'a mole F A como liliu A sorry F A glottal stop A M-O-L-E Fa'a como liliu A mo-o-la E Fa'a mole is the act of rounding things or to smoothen it out fa'a mole to I think the sense of the word that they tried to translate it was to, I mean, yes, it's translated to please, but the verb please, to please. So when you say, may you pick that up, please? Could I get a glass of water, please? Okay, loa akakova il fasamo fa mole. It's an act of pleasing. Mafuanga linga. Famala il palang. Fongal upule suyel please. If yangale in place of please to teach our people what it is. Lela wo mayar kemingi. Alwe famaiwe. Fa mole ya. Please can I ol fa mole. Ol fa mole la ya. Olo walle tangata. Eva pe kala kinga famelo dinayet. Alui kuafale ya grandma ya walo great grandma. Alui kuafale ya grandma ya maisuka. Ya ngolokla ya fa grandma. Mul e mafai ona mawase masuka mama ila suka ya pe ya olfa ngai na olfa mul le sense le ya nei ole fa mole olo walule fa mole mai se me mai tangata pepese e mamulu mai ile fa mole not the sense of not because you go and you say fa mole because we kango ma fa la mole we fa mole you've made it rounded, well rounded, you've smoothened it out to where the person's heart feels giving. So that's why we have when people ask for things, instead of saying fa mole usau pe te malie pe mafai ye upuna e fa malie ma fa mole yel fina ngalo tangata, or the will of the person is smoothened and well rounded out to give you something. And so that is my belief, where the word fa mole or means to smoothen it out or to round it about, instead of and it is the verb to please or to render service, to infatuate, or to make the other person happy. Yeah. So topic. Ote fatalo fatu le mamalu wa fia I tupu mai failau ngamos taulanga o ao sina tamama tina matuo to yu chaya o lai kike o falongo mai o yu kaya ngai kangaka o falongo mai o yu kaya ngai kangaka. I've heard the Samoans use these terms, yu chaya. Like, man, where did the Samoans know the yu chaya from? Where did the Samoans, who were the last Judeans in Samoans? Who were the last Judeans in Samoans for the Samoans to say, they're the last Judeans? Man, so, so I asked around. And people said, oh, no, it's respect. It's respect, to the Bible. Because, the Bible is, the Bible and the culture, and that's the distinction I want to separate. But then I found other people to learn from. And they said, It's not toi u taya. It is toi ulu taya. The last struck breadfruit. Toi ulu taya. The last struck breadfruit. And so, in a sense, where it has become where when we don't understand or we don't hear something correctly, then we tend to word it our own way. Instead of looking and searching and finding out. So if you hear something, instead of using it right away, talk to someone. Anybody, that knows Samoan. I'm not talking mainly to the non-Samoan speakers because they're only learning. Kako leo wale nganga. Leo wale nganga mawa alu ilumaya le sawa ole mimita. Ona luatula ia sweet fa isi upu. Luatula ia sweet fa isi upu. Mafa alongo mai la ia le isi tama jiti la itua. Fa mai. Oh, that's what Uncle say. Uncle, stop. Yeah. But the saying is ole toe ulu taya, the last struck breadfruit. Yeah. Lela la ufoke saku kako vesili. Lela walilunga ski roll mai lalo. Sorry if I don't see your message. Ole men ngai lungo oi. Ole notification. Ole ngai fa mai oi. I want to follow Mason, but I don't want him to see my comments. So elo say ngala mako koi ingal mako ngu fa mai. Elo say fox nga oi. Elo say fox la ole fox oi. Kile ka ua kul koi ingal yang ngai lo elo ko ing. Oh sis. Malo so mamai, Greg, malo so fua. Lesili. Talofa. Yeah. Si sumai review mulai. So iya follow. Follow dog. Kau ke mimika umai kakongu. Ai leangai ole afio umai sa mo I le mfaya unga faya ku ngok sembe kasi aku uisi ainga. Leanga they must never been to the Quapacs. Malo swifu so for reals. Malo on site, let's go. Ya pau lava o le malama tangata e mana tua fo I le tala. Mamai te vai on food. We are a proud people, and as such, I think it's hard for people. Is there a question? No question there. How about Ayesi Moko? I've never heard of Ayesi Moko. O ai ave ai. Mangkuar ko fai longa lang foi aya mako le mai mangu ore mai oko pau ki kaka. Ore ngonga ava mai. Ore ngonga ave oko ya mako le mai mangu. So I thought we chilling. Yeah, let chill kako. Kako le chill la lang le ye me fa pulak mangko le kako ke mi chill. Les kako ke mi chill le nga va ko fo ye le kako your and your dang wo ole image uma kako. There's image nga sa Mea-Uli Samoa. Palang itoy ia le singa. Ta le money fa maon yes alu e togo so io togo. It's our own choices. Yes, si feeling of fight or tashi tangata. Ole su at to start of city. Yeah, you're lying. You are lying. Thank you. So kanga kusa kanga so maile umalolo you're so may mali you're a lion. No, correct, love oil pro. They didn't want to hear the truth because they know we'll be offended. Yes, amen. You made an important distinction that people misinterpret every language. Yes. Yes, we are fighting Kangaka. The mastery of the language, the love for culture is beautiful. I thank God for the knowledge. Everyone in this world is racist regardless of what they say. Yes, I am a race. Recognition is not the reality for some. So, my elefange. Yeah. Some Samoans. Yeah. Says please tell our wife I'm waiting for her. Our wife? Yeah. Well, she had our wife. Yeah, okay, tell her. I'll tell our wife you're waiting for a call. Mea lela waka wali ali my mea secretary. Leo kawali ali my amigo secretary. As Samoans, many of us are pitted against each other based on Afkasi look versus traditional Samoan beauty. And yes, but that wasn't our culture. Rachel Reed, that wasn't our culture. Our culture was one of love and mutual respect. Like I said yesterday, we hated the Tongans so much because of the only history we know, which is they ruled over Samoa and we beat them, and they, hence the name Malietoa. But little do we remember that our second Tafaifa, Salamasina, half Tongan. Half Tongan. Yet we say so many bad things to Tongan people. That is truly the only way to rid it. Call them out and address it. Yes. Reality, people. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I agree. I agree with your agree. I want you guys to know. I agree with your agree. Thank you for sharing your agree. Skako for CD. It can be unlearned. Yeah, I agree. It's or the sau ngoa, ma the sau ngoa. Yeah. It's senga or the sau ngoa, ma the sau ngoa. Sau noa. Sau noa is to speak. Sau noa is to speak. Sau noa is to sing. Is to sing. Sing. And sometimes I've heard it used to dancing. But I think the term is to sing. Sau noa, to sing. Sau noa is to speak. So one sau speak. Two sau sing. Sau noa and sau noa. Sa-a-u no o a. S-A-U-N-O-A. Sau noa. Sa-a-u nu o a. Sa-a-u nu o a. Ale sau noa. S-A-U-N-O-A. Sau noa. To sing. Maloso. Atitia maini. Monipil. Yeah, wo umat ka ko topic ngai le racism. Awa ka ke tua lai fo I kele fingalo kenga ka ko le wo umang fa liaku wo mangaku. Lo ngonga I lembe. Pero vai aku. Point out. Mongim fa maungi mamait ka ba yung fulu, but langai fa mai ka la ka ko. Kau nga fuar kia. Aya fa umamai la sis ya. Ai mangingol ma korvai. Se ka kia me I mea nga wa yai. Kele on me ka over kele fo I ko poko se Ronnie le hai. E leo se over se poto. Leo fa yatu. Tama I poto ale ya tia. Leo tam fa fa soa. Le tam fa soa. Leanga, there are many. Le uvaila le la drag on al fa Samoa. There are many out there who wish to learn. But it is because of this racism within our language that pushes them out. Arani. Avapela lo langona na rani. Ya longwina. Ele tali oe le moni mal fa maoni o lo yel fa longalan. Ele tam fa foi la o te il fa fitaudi. Ele tam fa la o te pe po. Na tam fa ya o tu pe tu po pala. Umala ya solo pala. Tipi. On sa o le sa no nga mangeo fa mai. What too late. Vai mo maile amama ke iwa ai oi ia malo le uso mangaya fa soa fa salafa lo filima e foa. Yes mongi your awesome use of time with everything that's happening around the world today has reminded me that I was born in a perfect world. Yeah, they say God isn't real, but I ain't seen a human being in human form create a universe. Before you racist folks approach me with your smart mouth, take a moment and check yourself. Yeah, Fasili, Kako Fasili. Mason, please be a Samoan teacher to my kids. We are open on to Zoom calls and FaceTime. Phono has my number. Okay. Yeah. Let out fight our wife. Let out fight our wife. Tell her. Let out fight our wife. Toy Udutaya. Yes. Mongi lava. Se malo. Hi Luisa. True. Talofa Manuia all the way. Yeah. As islanders, hi Tafa. As islanders, our lax behavior and sense of humor. We say things sarcastically to be funny. However, it can be offensive to others because in many cases it's used in a negative manner to insult or harm a person's dignity. Why, as a general society, do we focus so much on labels in referencing a group or person? The question: why, as a general society, do we focus so much on labels in referencing a group or person? The reason being, to answer that question, is we were taught it. We were taught it. Because I know you know this stuff, and I'm just sharing with everyone. The reason why we put labels on people is because we were taught it. If you notice, our people back then, if you have a ta, you mutangata. People would, travel from Maori and Tahiti and our neighboring Fijian islands and Samoa to Samoa, Manua, Hawaii. But it was taught to us. Here's an idea. Why not just call people by their name and not the one we want to call them? Yes. Wonderful. How about if they're half Samoan, half Tangata Uli? I said, if they want to be identified as Tangata Uli there, with the Tangata Uli family, or Samoan there, it's how you can ask. So are you Samoan? Let me just. I am Samoan, Tangata Uli, Cherokee Indian, Tongan, Chinese, Rarotongan. That's Cook Island. Many of you don't know where the Rarotonga is. Cook Island. And then Sri Lankan. If you don't know where Sri Lankan is, go look up Sri Lanka. And then Maori. Fijian. So I identify with black or Samoan, depending on who I'm with. Because if I identify as a black in Samoa, oh man, palaka. Or less le toe tangata po tangata matua le tu o senu po tu o senu o se manu e failo pito e manua Shaq Jess Lomanu. You played any sports? I played a little bit of soccer. I think it's my my South American roots where I in soccer. Ele football out lang kalo vang nga des ko ngai fa sai kinga ang uso le fai makochia. Lang ai sango kalo ai kang uso le fai chia. Get it, makes sense? Yeah. Okay, loa. Uleo len kako city. Kako kemi chio peng fayaku. Are you is a manua? Yeah, I'm a Manukan. Yeah, I come from Arlosanga. The place are very beautiful people. Yeah. Lofa, yeah, malo. Not racial, but totally degrading when we use the word mala to refer to gay or transsexual. Okay. I just want to touch a little bit. Yeah, I really do. I want to touch a little bit on the topic of fa'afafine, because a lot of people think that they are misconstrued. There's a misconception. Fa'afafine. This also goes out to the young fa'afafine. The term in Samoan is fa'afafine. Fa'afafine. Woman like. Not fa'atene. Not fa'atene. And so, I go to Samoa and I saw the fa'afafine within my family. Within my family. Remember now, I speak on my experience. La whatsapp wai lalo. Lang leo mo ka ko topic lela ka ko chill like fa'afine. Or fa'afine. Por fa'atama. Por fa'atama. Lang ukangka ko ku fa but it's only fa'atama. Or fa'atama mal fa'afine. They knew that they had a duty to their families. And you can see it today in Ainga Samoa. Now the term mala, it is my belief. That was something that the Christians or the colonizers called or made it seem that these people were a curse. Ole malaya, mala, malaya, curse. So the Samoans thought, oh yeah, this mindset of the colonizer brought onto us to say these people, so, tulo. Let me tell you a little bit about the role of Fafafine on our Umaleo Tattoo life. When people are abandoned when families put out a person within a family, they usually go to the Fafine of their family or the Fatama of their family because they would take them in. Kausi, bring them up and teaching them their role. And that's why it was respected. It was a respected role in Samoa, because although they took in the Shun children, the product or the fruit of that nurturing served the family, because they took up the role of Tamatane and Afafine, not Tamafafine. Now remember, mind you, Mankua, listen, Tamatane and Fafine, not Tamafafine, because Tamafafine is then a Tene. Fafine, a mature woman. A mature woman. So she had the role, or the Fafine had the role of a male and a mature woman. Not so I respect Tato Fafine. I want that to be clear. I respect my Fafine cousins, my Fakaleti cousins. I respect my Fafine friends, uncles, aunts, whatever they want to be, Fatama. I respect them because I understand our culture. They nurtured it. And the reason why our culture is still what it is today, I truly believe, because they nurtured these people who their families wouldn't nurture. And these people who were shunned or were put out had a point to prove. And they became people that were elevated in communities because of the teaching of the Fatama and the Fafine. But because wow Samoa, I don't know. Live my wow Samoa. Ono Christianity. Lela tu ese tatou yel Fafine. Mal Fatama. For my tatou. Leo on malaya le mea. Le mala. Ai o nga fai kako fa lave o ai extreme o ai mo mo ko su ya o ai ku ke sulu mali uru su fa finge fa kam ai se le ango ka ngaka ye sulu mali uru e osi ai nga makausi ai nga uma fo ya nga sis ma pro fa na vo aku la mala ia awa awane e ai urutu na itaisi. Awa. Don't eat the breadfruit and then forget who provided. Awa. Skako fasol nga maila yo ko mga kui kako komeni. Sa uwa tuwai. Liang tango ave eset secretary maili admin. Wakau offlo ulu fika secretary. Kau offlo ulu. O mai tanga plau vale tango secretary ave eset komeni. No. Tu mai. Tu mai la ya tia. Ya a tele se manu lo fatele atu a wasasi sa tala. Ulo tala masane. Ya. Se le ato ine. Fa ato ane ina. O se vai nga ine. Ma losi mai o ina. O se upu wasasi. La fu i fonga va tele. So i fua ma ia manuia lo fatele atu.